National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, northeastern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Bureau County in north-central Illinois, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located over Thomas, or 17 miles southwest of Rock Falls, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar-confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Tampico, Deer Grove, and Normandy around 6:55 p.m. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.